Nice and cool.
Little slot canyon comes down into the river. If it looks like this the rest of the way, this is gonna be one hell of a nice hike. Does it look like it?
That's a good idea. I do want to do some stretch. Oh yeah, I need to do some stretches.
Yeah, especially after yesterday.
It's illegal to trap, capture, harass, or kill a river.
There's one thing that you guys know, Missy loves her wildlife, so it was really nice to see the Save the Otters billboards and signs throughout the hike. Oh Lord, this whole walk is just...
This reminds me of wherever we were on the AT where you got that little alcove.
Oh yeah.
So you could go under there if there was like a storm.
I think that is Daleville.
Is that Daleville?
Yeah.
Ah, a lot of stuff
Just
is Daleville.
huge boulders.
Yeah.
Beautiful little walk here. Piedra River Trail. It looks like you are going to be one hell of a nice hike. Little slot canyon comes down into the river. If it looks like this the rest of the way, this is going to be one hell of a nice hike. A much different hike than yesterday, going straight up a mountainside, but this has absolutely just been gorgeous so far. We got, see, this is out and back. You can go 12 miles, but just depending how far you want to go and turn around, be a nice leisurely day. We're about a mile in on the trail. Got a little spot to rest, take a break, and just relax, enjoy ourselves.
Hi, babe. I found a shady rock.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Yeah. Right by the water. It's nice and cool.
Yeah, the ride out here was about 6 miles less of gravel roads. However, there were some serious washboards.
Yeah, bad. Like to the point, it jammed our slider door.
Yeah, even at 5 miles an hour, we slowed down big for them, but they were pretty washed out. We couldn't open Eddie's slider door when we got here. I had to force it open. Seems to be working again now,
Yeah,
but
it works fine now, but it was just weird.
That's what happens when you do 12 miles of washboards. I think this area will be worth it. And the door opened, so we're good. Today's just gonna be more of a relaxation day.
Yeah, it's a fun day.
Taking the river and taking the cliffs.
It really is.
Constant views right beside the river here. Took a small break, as you guys saw before. Just sat there with our eyes closed, taking in the sound of the water. We'll keep hiking to see if there's a few more spots to break at. Oh, stunning little view. Just something about rushing water out in the wilderness.
I was trying to figure it out.
It's all good. Nice little breeze off the river here, in pretty much a flat walk for a couple miles, man. This Piedra
Outpost Piedra.
Piedra River Trail is really nice. A little way to waste an afternoon and see a lot of beauty. Either from above or on flat ground, you're just looking at this entire thing. I love the wilderness.
We know this.
Come find your happy place.
Right.
This is gorgeous. The epitome of a John and Missy hike right here. She's gaining on me. I think that moth likes attention. Yeah? It landed there after I put my camera on that one. Okay. Wow. Wowee. This is down the stock or horse side of the trail. They must have amazing horse trails through here, Missy. They must be famous for it. Because everything they have splitting stock. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'll take it.
That is pretty.
A few more shots of this epic river before we say goodbye. I know that trick.
What? No, what you talking about?
Well, today's hike is done. Look at the beautiful background. The Piedra River Trail was a home run.
Woo, it's fun.
Yeah.
Look it.
Yeah, it's warm. It's not, I mean, it's not crazy, but it's warm. We're gonna get back in Eddie here. We're gonna grab a cold bang because that's what we do. Head back to our little timeshare. And what do you think, Missy? Crack open a beer?
I think so.
Awesome. Let's get after it, man. That was a good hike.
That
nice.
was a good hike.
Well, good exercise afternoon. So we're back on the unbelievable, as Missy thinks we're dropping off a cliff.
You should see this washboard.
Washboard road. I'm going to try to do a little better this time. As I mentioned, I could barely get Eddie's door open last time. But, I mean, I'm going 12.
Yeah.
And, yeah, let's see what we can do. Hopefully without peril. You'll see us cracking open a beer and cheersing in just a little bit. We got about 12 miles of this.
Yeah.
Here we go. No idea if this is going to come through on camera, but my lord, this is extreme washboard. All right, let's go examine the damage. Well, not too bad overall. Just got to push this guy back. However, I mean, I'll take it. We've lost our paper towel roll there. Came loose. But if that's the worst thing, that isn't bad.
Yeah.
And to tell you the truth, over all of the bad gravel roads, I probably should have checked those screws.
Let's check this guy.
The other ones are, you know, metal screws, so they're in there pretty good.
Oh, well, see, this is why I look, because the vinegar came down.
There you go. So we made it through. That thing is horrible.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see if this is bright enough to do this here. You see when I pull on this, it moves this lever right here. That goes in and unlocks the door. Well, it was not functioning. I had to force that all the way back to snap open the door. After that, it's been functioning normally again. Let's see if the, yep, so it still works.
Yay, it works.
But on the way up, when I was hitting it a little, I didn't try to hit so many bumps, but this lever right here just won't go back far enough to release it. On the outside or the inside handle side, I had to push it back by hand. So there you go, the perils of hiking out in the wilderness.
Right?
Yeah, not too much. I was a little nervous about the door, but it opened just fine. Now it's beer time.
And jumble cartoons are this.
Oh, well, this is not my favorite part of hiking, but it is close.
It is my favorite. Look at that, a perfect pour. Mine's a prettier color. Tastes better too.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. You're gonna.
It's just the foam.
Well, still, it's gonna come out. Oh yeah. That hits this one.
Outstanding. We have Remedy Brewing Company, Raspberry Kickball.
Yep.
Out of Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
It's yummy.
And we have Voodoo Ranger 1985 IPA.
It's a juicy.
Is that New Belgium?
Voodoo? Yeah, New Belgium. Right here.
Yeah, what do you know? New Belgium makes the Voodoo. Outstanding IPAs. There you go. We're going to kick back, relax. It's a little different for us. We're at our timeshare as we spoke about. So we're going to... The mountain we hiked yesterday is sitting right over there. We're going to enjoy the view. Relax. We've been watching a movie every night because we actually have internet.
Yay!
You know, small things you take for granted when you live in a van.
We're going to take a shower again tonight. You can shower every night after a hike. It's a crazy thing.
So
Life is good.
hell yeah. Kick back and relax, enjoy our beers, enjoy our view.
Kickball.
Kickball, kick back. And yeah.
Yes.
That's about right. Well, Eddie Van-dder has handled about 60 miles of rough gravel road so far, so why don't we just add about another 15 as we head up to Opal Lake, a little alpine lake up in the mountains here. Welcome to Opal Lake, guys. Join us next week for Opal Lake and a beautiful hike, guys. Keep adventuring. Oh man, it's gorgeous.